Alright guys, so I just got here. It's a place called Unleashed by Petco. I know Petco has some cookies that they look like human, cookie treats, and they taste actually like regular cookies. So today we're gonna have a video. We're gonna do a food review, and I'm gonna bring these up and make everyone have one. See how this goes. Alright guys, so we're in the beautiful city of Riverside. We're at the FoodLab in city of Riverside, as obviously. There's a lot of various restaurants that we're going to try out and check out today. The one I'm coming for is Baba's. It's just like Howling, what is it, Howling?
It's like spicy chicken.
It's like Howling Rays.
Yeah, it's like Howling Rays.
It's like Howling Rays. That's where they got their inspiration from, and that's what I'm here to try.
I just came to drink pretty much, so.
We all got drinks.
What about you guys?
Same. For the drinks.
Are you guys excited? Yeah?
What was my go-to? Since I got a special little one with us, a little foodie cutie.
We brought our daughter. She's the littlest foodie and cutie that we have so far.
Say hi, Ellie. Say hi.
Hi.
Ah. Alright, let's go try some food, guys. So this is pretty much the FoodLab so far. You kind of came a little late, but some places were already closed.
As you can see.
As you can see. But some places are open still.
But the only thing that matters is that Baba's Chicken's open.
Ah, damn. We have this spot over here called Pigpen Delicacy.
Take those fries. Take those fries out, guys. I'm probably gonna have to get some of those.
Ooh. What are you guys getting?
I'm just gonna get the pigpen nachos, both fries. And I'm gonna get unicorn nachos.
Oh, okay. So they ordered from this place called Pigpen. Let's see if it's fire, guys. And what'd you order, Jolie?
We're gonna get a Monty's burger. I heard it tastes like In-N-Out, so we'll see how it goes.
You think it's better than In-N-Out?
I don't know, we'll see.
Let's see. What'd you get, Ellie? You got a burger? Okay. I hope you like it. There's another place called Dia de los Puercos. If you like Mexican food, try it out. And you got this random ass girl here drinking. Where's Josh at? Where's Josh at Natalia? Oh damn! Look what he got.
Good for you.
Good looking out. Good looking out.
It's called a Mai Tai.
We got the Mai Tai right here. How is it? How's the Mai Tai?
Very sweet. Well, we'll see.
He didn't like it.
No, I do like it.
He didn't like it.
This is very sweet.
Nah.
There we go. Gotta mix the rum around.
So this is Ellie's burger. Oh my god, you didn't even let me finish.
One more bite.
This is Monty's burger.
Monty's burger. Is it the Impossible Burger? Like,
Take a bite.
It's
Let me try it
100%
for her.
plant-based.
oh,
Alright, so this is 100% plant-based. She's a little shy right now, so I'm gonna take a bite for her.
Make sure it's not poisonous.
Is it good? Here's your burger, baby, okay?
Is that like not real beef?
Just kick me.
The pig pen fries, which is pulled pork
with jalapeno, sour cream, pico de gallo. Just taste it.
Just let her break. Just let her handle it.
That looks delectable.
One more bite. One more bite.
Okay, so I got hot chick fries, and it's like fried buffalo chicken with fries, ranch, mozzarella, and green onion.
Oh.
And it's from Pig Delicacy.
Yeah.
They're not as good as these fries though.
That looks like. I'm not even saying.
This is from Baba's Chicken. They're called Baba Loaded Fries. I took one little fry and so far it's so good.
What does it have? Coleslaw.
I don't know, coleslaw,
I don't know.
pickles, some sauces, some French fries.
Alright, go for it.
Okay.
And what you got, Asalia?
I got ramen. I got black garlic ramen, and I'm very excited. Look at this shot. This is the broth.
She said, ew.
Should be your own niece. Your biggest
Alright.
haters.
So Asalia got ramen.
And I also got baby octopuses.
Oh,
She got what?
can I try one?
Yeah. Look at
All right. So you got a baby octopus. I've never tried them like this. I'm a fan of octopus, but it's never been like this.
Look, Ellie liked it. Cheers. Did you like it? Made it.
We need a napkin over
Oh
here.
my god.
A napkin. We need a napkin.
I didn't grow up together.
That octopus is so delicious. Ellie, you like the octopus?
Oh.
Right there.
She liked it.
It's from Nashville style. They got their inspiration from Holly Ray's, so you can check it out. What's in there? All right, so let's see what this is. Let's see what this is about. So, quick little fun story. I went to Holly Ray's like last week. I tried their sandwiches, and little did I know the hot meant hot, and I did not enjoy it. But let's see how this one is. I learned my lesson. I got mild. Let's see how it is.
What are you giving me?
What is it?
What is it?
Edipon?
Thank you. So I'm trying the octopus right now. Yeah. You can taste the octopus. Kinda. Pretty good.
So I asked for an extra side of tender, and they came in this little thing. So this is a medium. This is actually what is it? So mine's mild. This is medium, and this is actually cranking it up a little bit. So let's see how this is. It's good. So notice how the seasoning here, it's not a saucy chicken. It's more as a dry rub. It's that chili powder that makes it toxic. But this is satisfies my expectations.
Damn. And what about you guys? It tastes like what?
Buffalo chicken.
Oh my god. We got the chicken sandwich, some mac and cheese. What do we have over there? Chicken sandwich too?
Yeah.
Did you like it or no? What'd you think about it?
It's good. And I got macaroni and cheese. The macaroni and cheese is really good. It has like a different flavor to it. This is different than like Chick-fil-A and stuff.
Yeah.
It's still
Is it better or no? Ah, damn. Her face said it all. Alright, we'll review Chick-fil-A next time, guys.
So this is mild spicy chicken sandwich from Baba's. And I had Chick-fil-A and that's pretty much about it. And Popeyes. So we'll see how this goes. And no fuego, but I don't want to speak about that because I didn't like it. Alright, so let's go, guys. A big bite, big bite. I recommend it 10 out of 10. Under Chick-fil-A though. Under Chick-fil-A.
Under Chick-fil-A?
Under Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A's above?
Yeah, Chick-fil-A's above.
How we doing with that mac? Is it true that it's better than Hometown Buffet?
I don't know about that. Dude, I can't grab it.
How do we like it?
Really big.
Oh, there she is. Normally, Angie is trying everything first, and she's loving everything. This time she's last.
But I'm still loving everything.
Ellie is going in on the ramen. Look at her, look at her. Well, our youngest cutie right here. Oh. Oh. How is it, Ellie?
And she's saving it for later.
Oh, she's saving that for later.
That was later.
How are we doing, Salia? How do we like that?
It's bomb as hell.
Maybe the spice.
You know what?
You guys wanna
I don't know if it's a Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh,
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
that was for the viewers.
No,
I like this so much. I'm gonna take another one.
Look at my baby octopus.
Oh no, that's a different one.
This is what they look like.
Spicy sriracha.
So these are the baby octopuses.
Look at it. It has a body.
They were so delicious.
So earlier, I was saying about the difference between Chick-fil-A and this place, Baba's Chicken. And honestly, now they do kind of match. I don't know what's missing is the Chick-fil-A sauce, because I really like the Chick-fil-A sauce. The Chick-fil-a sauce from Chick-fil-A, so I don't know if that's what I need here, but I think they compare now, honestly, without saying, like, I need that Chick-fil-A sauce. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I think like the chicken sandwich is really good. The only thing I would like to see is like another type of sauce. Like Chick-fil-A has a range of sauces. So say someone else they don't really like ranch. Like me, I like it, but not that much. And if I had like the Polynesian style, like something like sweet with the spicy, that would be like, it would take it to the next level. But it's really good.
All right, guys. So Baba's Chicken gave us some free cookies, and we're all gonna go ahead and try one. Let's try it. All right, guys. So, what do you guys think of the cookies? Go ahead, try them.
Let me just say, I don't want to be rude, but these are literally like, they remind me of like the 99-cent store cookies.
That's messed up, but just try them.
I didn't want to be rude.
No, I think they are.
They're not like homemade or anything.
They're just cookies. They're good.
What do you guys think of them? All right, try the other one then. Leave that one back.
Are you double dipping? I'll never get over that.
Are those better? Try that one.
They look like dog biscuits. I'm a bitch.
No, yeah.
All right. So that one.
Damn, look at this. I can't find it. I can't find it. Like my muffin in the car.
Try it.
So this one already came like pre-licked. So we'll see how it goes.
Try it.
Oh, I can
Try it. Try this
See
one.
how soft this one is?
Try one.
You want to see how soft it is?
You guys can notice I'm not trying any of the cookies. I stopped by Petco today. You guys all just you guys tried dog treats, okay? That cookie you ate earlier was a dog treat. The cookie that was a dog treat.
You?
Hey, I didn't eat it, bro. So.
You guys all tried dog treat? That's why I didn't want to give one to Ellie, as you noticed earlier.
Hey, but this one was the best one.
All right.
Thank you for watching.
All ready? 1, 2, 3. You got the fans over there. Look. Come on. You got a YouTube channel. You got a YouTube channel.
You're so cute. I want to punch you. Don't cancel me. I was kidding.